Serious injuries on site caused by falls are all preventable. Using personal fall protection equipment, PFPE, can save lives. This talk covers aspects that need consideration before, during and after the use of PFPE. Before use. The use of PFPE should be considered to be a last resort. Other more suitable equipment should be used where possible. Factors to consider include the type of work, its location, how long it will take, and how often it takes place. The risk assessment produced for the task should identify the type of equipment to be used. You should be trained in the use of PFPE you are required to use. For example, fall restraint, work positioning, rope access or fall arrest. The equipment should be inspected to ensure that it is serviceable, suitable and fit for the task. You should be trained on how to carry out a pre-use check and the sort of faults you should be aware of. You should be briefed on the task to be carried out, including details about the designated anchor points you can use and the limitations of the equipment in question. Safe use. You must not misuse any equipment that is provided for your safety. You must report any defects immediately so the equipment can be withdrawn from use. Do not make running repairs. You must only use designated anchor points that you have been instructed to use. The safe system of work must include a detailed rescue plan and first aid arrangements. PFPE must be formally inspected by a competent person at the following minimum frequencies: every 6 months for normal use, every 3 months for arduous conditions, environments or occupations, interim inspections as determined through a risk assessment, installed systems, horizontal and vertical lines as per the manufacturer's instructions. After use. All equipment is to be inspected for damage and must be clean and dry before being put away. Any defects with the equipment must be reported promptly and correctly. Adequate records of the condition and usage of the equipment should be maintained. What should happen to PFPE after use? Which document will identify the type of equipment to be used? Who should be informed that the equipment is to be used? How do you know which anchor points may be used?